Welcome to solverfy.
Alrighty, so a palindrome is a word that reads the same forward as backwards. A really common example is race car. Right, so the first and last letter are the same, the second and second to last letter are the same, and so on. Right, and so this would be a 7 length palindrome. And so we want to find an algorithm for determining whether an n-length palindrome or n-symbols palindrome or a word is a palindrome, right? So we'll just call this procedure palindrome. All right, it's going to take in then some string of letters, right? So it's, in this case, A1 would be R, A2 would be A, and go all the way to AN, and for us, A7 was R. And then we would need there to be at least one letter. That means N must be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so we initially want to just define any sort of any variable here, so we'll let it be k. We'll just set it equal to true. Okay, and this is because if there's only one, right, so if n is equal to 1, whatever that is, say the word A, it's going to automatically be a palindrome. So we're going to just initialize it to true. Okay. Okay, and then so for every integer between 1 and the middle of the string, right, so we just want to go up to the middle. We'll show that by saying for I, so it's going to be a index here equal to 1. So the first letter in this string all the way up to, and actually let's do the floor of n over 2. And so that's for when there is an odd number of letters. If the ith symbol is not the same as the n minus I plus 1 symbol, we'll just change k to false, right? So what it's doing is saying, well, is the ith symbol the same as the n minus I plus 1 symbol, right? So is r equal to r, is symbol 2 equal to symbol 6, and so on. Okay, so we write that. So for the index just up to the halfway point, although not including the middle number, if AI is not equal to its mirrored value, which will be index n minus I plus 1, then we'll switch k here. Then we'll set k then equal to false. All right, so once we finish this loop, we want to return variable k at the end because we are looking for determining just whether or not it's a palindrome, right? So true it is, false it isn't. So we want to return our variable k, and that completes